Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove emoji from photo. So there is so many ways to remove emoji from your photo. You can use a other app or third-party app from Play Store. But I want to show you with the AI tools from the web. This is the anyeraser.media.io. So you can use the any eraser as a power tool that remove unwanted object, watermark, or emoji from your picture. So open the anyeraser.media.io. Just remove emoji from your picture here. You can tap the web here directly. So upload your video or photo here. Upload here. And try to use the brush here. You can adjust the size of the brush. Here, try to brush the emoji. And let's see the output or the result first. If you don't satisfy, you can try again. So as you can see, the emoji is gone. You can try again to make it perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. My soccer button below. See you in the next video.